Have I finally done it? Have I finally caught the condor? Or is it? It looks like. That guy's hard to catch. There he is, right in front of me. Yep. Looks like he's bullying Screech. What are you doing over there? Yeah, sort of looks like it. Anyways, I'm back to this trail again. This is called the Sweetwater Bridge Trail. Really easy to find on Campo Road. But kind of weird driving here. You got to go through all kinds of hoops. Getting on the freeway, off the freeway, on another freeway, off the freeway. It's not even very far, you know. Okay. I'm trying to film that plane, but the camera's not doing too good on zooming into stuff in the sky. Here, there's my new sunglasses, makes it harder. But let's go way over there, shall we? Trail gets kind of interesting in the trees and stuff. We can go way over there. See what I mean? A little more interesting here. Today's date is what? The 12th? August 12th, 2025? Here it is, the highlight, which isn't much, huh? Yeah, I remember being here a long time ago, about 4 or 5 years ago, and I filmed some good bird action going on back then. Now, not so much at this point. Just got the condor, or whatever that was. Well, I found a hill to climb. That's where the workout's at. Climb that hill. Here's the flat spot, top of it. Looking back down, that's the trail I just came down. We got to go to the top, right? I don't know if any of this goes to the top though. Don't look like it, huh? You know me, I gotta have a good view. Looks like I can go like up here and scramble all the way up to there. Do some scrambling. What do you suppose that is? Looks like a land. How? Hey. Looks like a landfill to me. What is it? Gotta Google it. Find out. Everything's on Google. There's guys on bikes that went by. They actually took their bikes up there. That doesn't look easy to me. Taking your bike along that trail? Wow. I don't know. I guess I'm too old. I got bad balance, so there's no way. Gotta be in good shape. There's some Poway style houses. You can get a big ass house here. I wonder how much they are. 800? What do you guess? 1.2 million or 800,000 for that big old house? Out here in the sticks, maybe it's a little lower. I don't know. Hard to say. Have to look it up. Oh, this goes way up. Look at this. Ooh. This is all new to me. It's going up and up. Awesome. I'm gonna get a workout this morning after all. Yeah, it's morning time, around 11 o'clock. I wonder what time it is anyways. Let's see. I mean, what time, what day. I gotta double check my days. Let's see. August 13th, not the 12th. Today's the 13th, 2025. And I'm on a new trail. Trail is new to me up here in Sweetwater Bridge trailhead. That's where you start. I think what you do is you take, what do you take? Nah, I don't know. I'll just follow GPS. I didn't have to think. The computer does all the thinking for me. And I'm here. This trail is a little less dangerous. The other one is all up, and which is easy to go up, but going down, being me, for some reason going down is slippery and you fall down. Right, Thrashy? There's Thrashy again. Good old Thrash. Let's count on Thrash to be right there. I was wondering how you get up to the top. I think I found it. This is the tippy top. It's obviously a motorcycle trail. There's mostly bike tracks here. Not too much footprints. Oh, there's where I was at. That's the hill I went down. Oh, it just goes in a big circle. Okay. Never mind. What's this? So I guess that's a rabbit trail. That's for the wabbits only. Oh well. The wascally wabbits. Who is that? Is that Screech? Or is that even a bird? Oh yeah, that's a bird. It just moved. Screech over there sitting on a rock. Obviously nobody goes over there. It's got a little spot for Screech to be sitting in. Oh wait, I got one. Yeah, I got one. They look so grand. Right, Screech? What do you think of them airplanes, huh? Good old Screech.